Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody's okay. I hope everybody's blessed. I threw out on my community the other day, on my YouTube community the other day. I asked persons to, give me topics that you guys would like to see me do a story time on next. And a few were thrown out. I'm gonna read them back now. I'm going on my I'm hopefully this phone can go on my YouTube because I don't know what's going on with it. But I'm trying to go on my YouTube right now so that I can find the topics that were posted by you guys. Basically, what I remember in my head though is okay, so I'm trying to go on YouTube with this phone, but it's not allowing me to. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with the phone. Some topics that you guys gave me were your first birth experience or giving birth or whatever. But the thing is, I had already given you guys a story time on or off when I had given birth. They're all on my page, so all you guys have to do is to just check out my channel thoroughly, like go through the channel, watch the videos that you have not yet watched, because those videos have the topics that you guys would like to see. However, I haven't been posting a lot lately, I know, but I'm trying to like cut that out and start posting a lot so you guys can have videos to watch all the time and stuff. But the thing is, I have like 200 and I have a lot of videos on here and I not watch them. So don't blame me, blame on yourself, because I not keep up with the. Anyways, guys, so one of the topics that was there was how you met Jelani. Jelani is the name of my baby daddy. So basically, you guys were asking how I met my baby daddy, right? I'm going to tell you guys a story. The truth is, I don't remember exactly how I met my baby daddy. But I'm going to talk to you guys and see if it can just flash back in my head. So, how I met my baby daddy. Okay, so I saw my baby daddy once before I knew who he was. It was a night when I was in Mandeville. I was very skinny. When I say skinny, I mean very, very skinny than almost skinny now. Like super skinny. I was super skinny. So I was very skinny. And I was walking down. As I was saying, one day I was walking down Mandeville Hill. For the persons that know Mandeville well, you guys know where I'm talking about. So on Mandeville Hill, on Mandeville Hill? Yeah. The Mandeville Hill where the man put up the liquor box where when you pass him say 500 for your phone case. Buy it if you don't want it, buy it same way, right? That's so? Yeah. After you pass it, so you go down a little bit, you reach at the gas station. There's a bar on this side of the road. So he was going up the bar and I was passing. So he did a pass with a bunch of guys. I don't know a man stay. So it's like, they will let them pass, but through me a little bit of maga now. I don't know if I'm mapping baby father that map me. Or, honestly, I don't know about what them did I say, me never like. And then them tell me a little bit and what's it. So, as they tell me some my ear ready or me maga. Anything you tell me, me ready for fight and cuss and trace you. So them did it and them attack and them a map me and them a trouble me. And me tell you all of them for come kiss out me ass. I'ma kiss my teeth and me cuss them like a dog and walk down the hill. See me by myself. Never me got my business. Then time they think me did have my boyfriend still. Think of my boyfriend me did have me. I remember yeah man, but me just know so me cuss them and gone down the hill. Anyways, it's like, oh, me a give you the sweeter part of the story. Here I go on now. Me remember me a try me it a come back to me a little bit now. Me a tell you how it go. Just when me and him been a cuss and him a go up at the bar, me did a work in a one bar down alright, a two gas station. Right? One of the gas station up there so and then they go walk come now you go there one of the gas station. But the other gas station they was super one little mini mart thing in that one day. So you see one of the mini mart thing in a one bar did there right there so upstairs. I did some me that work the time there. So it's like me pass them, me customer and then me got the bar. So it's like about 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month or something after.
him come in at the bar when me work, but it was in at the night him coming at the bar. So him coming at the bar now. I did him. Him mother, me don't know if the girl when come with it, I'm girlfriend or I'm friend or I'm gonna know. I'm gonna know the girl from nowhere. I never see the girl back since the night they either. But it's like him coming at the bar, zeen. But the girl he coming before him. So the girl coming before him, and the girl come out of some token. She had a one token for play pool. The girl come, sure. When the girl come out of the token for play pool, the girl she added the token from me, give her the token. When she go put the token in the pool table, is that the token never had to work. So through the token now work now, Goody Bob feel like says she big and bad and braver than nobody else. She can come to me, come tell me, good me now, you know. Good me say. Me must give she one more token. Bitch, me don't know you. Who is you? I don't know you. I don't know you. So she will come to oh, me must give she one more token because the token now work and she need to put it on in there forget. I say, look here, I work. And me no know you from nowhere. I not give no girl, no boy, nobody, nothing. I sell. So Goody Bob, when she tell me say she want the token, I tell she said sell me. So she now go say, Jelani, come here in the car. I can't deal with them like a crisis. Girl I walk in a bar and I ready for about her ass. But then when the boy come, the boy cute. So I never these two members sent me that trashy. I turn off all of my attention off of that the girl and I want to turn it on. But the boy nice, me I tell you, one nice, little cute, good looking boy. Yeah, me never care for a man. Cause she too she bright, only for a man, but I'll take him same way because she too outside. Some girl man forget take them off attitude. So if you just take them man and laugh after them rude. Yeah, me I tell you. So when the girl didn't know what going on with herself and so and she called the boy and the boy nice, Jesus, man, not lie. So anyways, now my baby father come over to me and him said to me, say, tell him one token. Because him not come in attitude. Him say, sell him one token. So he say, sell him one token now. Me sell him a token. Me give me token. So it's like him go play the pool and then him come back and him buy one more token. Buy one more token now. Him pay me and then him come back again. When he come, I say, what am I doing? Him just say, go and come. When he come back now, him said to me, say, oh no, alkaline song will say, ole male, lo. Pum pum left your panty, la 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 la. That song there, the alkaline song there, I did I play. When the alkaline song start playing on my nice skin, baby father turned to me and said, good day. You can't send me that song there on my phone. No, him say, first him say, I want to play music. I'm going to tell him say at the boombox, but I'm a phone connected to it because of the Bluetooth that I use at the time. I know the Bluetooth box. So, him said to me, so I must send it on give him. But me tell him, so I can't send it on give him through Bluetooth because my phone already connected to the box. And if I take it for the box, the bar I go empty without music and the people them I go cuss and send. So I tell him, say, he must put in number on my phone and then when I reach home, me send him. Them time, me like the boy, but true, me no look man. Honestly, and the funny thing, the fucked up thing about it is we never even start date them time. It took us like a year. It took us like a whole year after that. But I'm telling you guys how we met. So that's basically how we met. Him put it on my phone and I go home, I send him the song, I send him the Ole Male Alkaline song, I send him the song. After I send him the song, him tell me thanks and then him never text me back and me never text him back. And that was the end of that story right there. So, but then now it's like I was running a beach trip. I always do when I was like 17, I started running beach trip every August 1st. So I had my beach trip to go out that year and me send out a broadcast to everybody in my phone. Every contact in my phone, me send the broadcast to. Remember now, he had my number too, so he would get a message from the broadcast. But we never used to conversate. We never used to text or nothing at all because me don't send the song, him get the song, and you know, the conversation never really gone away. So it's like, I send out a broadcast on my phone now and him get the broadcast message. So when him get the broadcast message, him reply and him said to me, must send him the post of the beach trip because he's well known. Yeah, him claims saying well known. Him not well known or ass, but yeah. Anyways, him saying well known and him can share it and get a lot of persons for come on the beach trip. But anyways, at the time, I really wanted, because at the time, as I was saying to you guys, I was not this popular as I am now. I did not have a following at all. I had like 1,000 followers. That was it. I never used to vlog. I never used to do music. I never used to do none of that. So I wasn't famous at all. It was just, you know, anybody just regular. So yeah, me link him and me send him the thing and him start getting people from me. Honestly, in truth and fact, he did get me a lot of customers to, you know, pay for seats on the beach trip and come out with us. So it's like closer to the beach trip now because him know so much, because he knew a lot of persons on the bus because of him get them. I had no choice but to make him, we don't call it now, co-host of the trip. So me put him in charge, you know, controlling the people and him know, and me control the people and me know, and me collect and me give him a thing. So we got beach, and that's basically how we met. I had already told you guys the story of the first time when we actually had, you know, yeah. But tell them that story there already. But just in case you know, never see it, just search feed on my page. Search for it on my page in previous videos and you guys will see it. As I said to you guys, under the video of story times that I do, spam up the comment section, spam up the comment section, spam up the comment section with videos that you will like to see me do next. Stories we don't know hear yet, we don't want hear, and me will do them. Now ask me, I tell you no, me will do them. So, apart from this topic, there was no other topic from you guys. So this is unfortunately the only story time that I will be doing tonight because nobody else never give me no more topic for do. All I'm gonna say is do vlogs, do pregnancy. I already did that. I already told you guys this pregnancy story twice. Yes, I did. So, if there's anything else that you guys want to know, that you guys want me to do, comment it in the comment section below, and I will most definitely tell you guys that story. I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support so far. Subscribe, yeah. Share, like, comment. Love, wanna big up on a nice skin, good self. Mwah.